Hi guys, welcome to JA Maths Teach, where maths is a must. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And today we'll be looking at measurements, multiple choice questions. Let's go. Let's do a review. Alright, so perimeter and area are used with 2D or flat objects. Let's just review these terminologies. What is area? It's the amount of space an object takes up or covers. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around an object, or I prefer to say the distance of the border of an object. Volume is used with 3D figures. What is volume? It is defined as the amount of space taken up by a three-dimensional object. As you can see right here, we have a prism. The volume of a cube. Now a cube is made up of square faces, and we know that the sides of a square are all the same length. So that means for the cube, all the lengths are the same. So the volume of a cube is the side cubed, meaning that you are multiplying by that side 3 times. S by S by S. Volume of a cylinder. Now a cylinder has a cross section that is a circle. That means every time you cut the cylinder around, you get a circle. Cut, every time you slice it, you get a circle. So that's the cross section. So seeing that it's made up of many circles, that means the volume of the cylinder is the area of that circle, the area of the cross section, multiplied by the height. So that would be pi r squared h. Area of a circle is pi r squared. But what about the circumference of a circle? That is 2 pi r, or pi times diameter. Area of a trapezium. A trapezium is a rectangle. Well, a trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides, as you can see here. And to find the area of a trapezium, it's half multiplied by the length of those sides, parallel sides, multiplied by its height. And that is its perpendicular height. Not a slant height, but its perpendicular height. Alright, so let's look at these questions. The diagram below shows a cylinder with diameter 6 cm and height 20 cm. You have to pay attention to the fact that they gave you the diameter. And the question is asking you what is the volume of the cylinder. Now we know the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h, r squared. So we have to divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius. So that would be 3. So it's 3 squared r, that's r squared, 3 squared, times the height, which is 20 times pi. So that would be 9 times 20 pi, and that is 180 pi. So our answer is A. Number 33. How many kilograms are there in 1 ton? I am thinking that this must be the British spelling. I'm not used to seeing it. But there are 1,000 kilograms in a ton. The distance around the edge of a circular pond is 88 meters. The radius in meters is, so the fact that they're talking about the distance around a circular pond, that means they're talking about the circumference of the pond. And we know circumference is 2 pi r, and we're using this formula because it involves the radius. That is what they're asking for. So they gave us the circumference. They said it is 88 meters. And as you can see on the responses, possible responses, they have pi. They did not use the value of pi, so that's 2 pi r. We want the radius, so we divide by the coefficient of r, so we divide both sides by 2 pi. So r, so 2 pi cancel 2 pi, so r is equal to 88 divided by 2 pi. D. Number 35. The area of the quadrilateral above is... Alright, so if you look at the quadrilateral, you should realize that it is a trapezium. It has one pair of parallel sides. Area of a trapezium is half a plus b times the height. A and B are the lengths of the parallel side. So A plus B is 12 plus 8, 20. So it's half of 20 times the height. Remember we said it's the perpendicular height, so that means we're using 3 and not 5. So it's half of 20 multiplied by 3. Half of 20 is 10. Multiplied by 3, that's 30, so it's 30 centimeters squared. Question 36. AOB is a sector of a circle. Sector of a circle is like a slice of the circle, right? Such that the angle AOB is 60 degrees. So that means here is 60 degrees. And OB is r units long. What is the area of AOB? So the area of a sector of a circle is pi r squared times the angle over 360. So that is pi r squared times 60 over 360. When you break down 60 over 360, you get 1/6. So that means our answer is going to be 1/6 pi r squared. So our answer is D. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.